Ahoy, mateys! French toast awaits. Ahoy, me hearties! Ready for a breakfast adventure? Let's set sail for Flavour Island with the most golden treasure French toast. This ain't your average breakfast, matey. We're spicing things up pirate style. So grab your aprons and get ready to make some culinary waves. This recipe be easy peasy. Even a landlubber can do it. We'll be using simple ingredients to transform ordinary bread into a breakfast fit for a captain. So gather your crew and let's get cooking. Gather ye booty. Before we set sail, we got to gather our supplies. Here's what you need. 6 slices of bread. Use whatever kind you like, but thick slices like Texas toast work best. They soak up the mixture perfectly and give you that delightful crunch on the outside while staying soft inside. 2 eggs. These be the magic ingredient that'll make our French toast extra fluffy. Make sure they're fresh, as they bind everything together beautifully. Half cup of milk. Any kind will do, but almond or coconut milk adds a nice twist. The milk helps to create a rich, creamy texture. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. This adds a warm, comforting flavour. Cinnamon is the secret spice that brings a cosy aroma to our dish. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. A splash of this makes our French toast extra special. It adds a sweet, fragrant note that elevates the flavour. Butter or oil for cooking. We want our French toast nice and golden brown. Butter gives a rich flavour, while oil can help prevent sticking. Now that we've gathered our booty, let's get cooking. With all our ingredients ready, we're set to make the best French toast you ever tasted. Set sail for flavour. Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure like no other. Step 1. Crack the 2 eggs into a bowl. Make sure to use fresh eggs for the best results. Pretend they're mermaid eggs full of ocean magic. Let your imagination run wild as you cook. Whisk them up with a fork until they're smooth and bubbly. This step is crucial for a fluffy texture. Step 2. Pour in the milk, cinnamon and vanilla extract. These ingredients add a rich flavour and aroma. Give it another good whisk to combine everything. Make sure the mixture is well blended. Now our magic potion is ready. It should look smooth and slightly frothy. Step 3. Heat a large skillet or griddle over medium heat. A well-heated pan is key to perfect French toast. Add a pat of butter or a drizzle of oil. This will prevent sticking and add flavour. We want our pan nice and hot so our French toast cooks evenly. Test the heat by sprinkling a few drops of water. They should sizzle. Step 4. Dip each slice of bread into the egg mixture, making sure both sides are coated. Don't rush this step. Let it soak for a few seconds so it can absorb all that flavour. The bread should be fully saturated but not falling apart. Step 5. Carefully place the soaked bread onto the hot skillet. Be gentle to avoid splattering. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side or until golden brown and crispy. Keep an eye on it to prevent burning. Ahoy! Our French toast be looking mighty fine. Serve it hot with your favourite toppings and enjoy the delicious voyage. Shimmer me timbers, more treasure. Ahoy, breakfast lovers, get ready to embark on a culinary adventure. Now here's the fun part. We're about to transform our simple French toast into a treasure trove of flavours. Let's add some toppings and turn our French toast into a real treasure chest. Here are some ideas to get you started. Fresh fruit. Sliced strawberries, bananas, blueberries or raspberries add a burst of sweetness and a splash of colour. Whipped cream, a dollop of this makes everything better. It's like adding a cloud of delight on top. Chocolate chips, for the chocolate lovers aboard, these little gems melt into gooey goodness. Maple syrup, a classic topping that never disappoints. Drizzle it generously for that perfect touch of sweetness. Get creative and add your own favourite toppings. The possibilities are endless, so let your imagination run wild. There's no wrong way to enjoy French toast, matey. Whether you like it simple or loaded, it's all about what makes you happy. So gather your crew and enjoy a hearty breakfast fit for a pirate king. Share the joy and make every morning an adventure.